Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the property tax deductions on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So you want to go ahead and collect your property tax paperwork, including receipts and invoices for qualified property taxes. Once you have all those, next thing you're going to do is to log into your Turbotax account. So go on Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to select the tax year that you want to claim the property tax deductions for. And once you've selected that, next thing you're going to do is to choose deductions and then select property taxes as your deduction type. Next up, you're going to enter your total property taxes paid, including qualified property taxes such as states and local property taxes. Next, you're going to claim the property tax deductions, based on your qualified property taxes paid. And the final step is going to be to review your property tax deduction claim just to make sure everything is, accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the property tax deduction on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.